Hello, my name is Ebony Lawhorn. I am a student at Liberty University, and this presentation will define HBT and explain an HBT model. What is HBT? According to Kang and Melinda, 2018, human performance technology is focused on helping people and organizations become more productive. It uses a systematic and ethical approach to find and address performance problems. HBT identifies areas for improvement, creates cost effective and ethical solutions, implements them, and measures their effectiveness. This process helps individuals, teams, and organizations succeed, which benefits society as a whole. O'Driscoll, 2015, lists the key attributes of HBT as there are many different definitions. HBT is systemic, open to all methods, grounded in empirical evidence, and focuses on valued achievements of human performers and organizations. To break it down further, key attributes of HBT are systemic, which means that it looks at the big picture and it considers all internal and external interactions. It is both iterative and nonlinear in its process. The study of HBT is both a practice and a scientific field, which relies on research and evidence to guide its practices and avoid unproven ideas. It is systematic, which means that it follows a clear step-by-step method connecting analysis, design, implementation, and evaluation. It is open to all means, which means it isn't limited to specific solutions or technologies, as it uses any intervention that can improve performance, which sets it apart from related fields like IT and HRD. Last but not least, it improves productivity, focusing on boosting productivity by improving the value to cost ratio, which is a concept rooted in Gilbert's work and expanded by various scholars over time. Kang and Melinda, 2018. This is an example of an HPT model. It is an ISPI model. Many early HPT practitioners came from the field of instruction, and HPT process modeling has evolved from those principles. The pioneers of HPT brought their own unique insights and experiences, leading to various models. There are many HPT models classified in different ways. Some focus on individual performance, while others concentrate on organizational performance. Models can be either linear, which is step by step, or nonlinear, which is more flexible. In 1992, Rosenberg and others categorized these models into diagnostic and process types. ISPI is the process type HPT model. Process models don't just find out where performance problems are, they dig into what the problems are. Rosenberg and others, 1992, say that this type of analysis comes from early models like Harless's ADDIE model. These early models were straightforward and focused on finding specific solutions to the problems. A common feature of process models is their use of systems analysis and logical steps. To further explain the figure, which is figure 10, phase 1 of the ISPI model is the performance analysis, or in other words, the need or opportunities section, where the performance analysis is about figuring out what the organization needs to perform better and comparing it to what they can actually do. In phase 1, you spot the performance problem or you find a chance to improve it. There are 3 types of performance analysis: organizational analysis, which looks at the organization's vision, mission, values, goals, and strategies; environmental analysis, which identifies and ranks the factors that support actual performance; gap analysis, which finds out the current performance, the desired performance, and the gap between them to gather information, interviews, surveys, questionnaires, observations, or document analysis, which are often used. Phase 2, cause analysis. Cause analysis is all about finding out the why behind the performance problems. It often uses Gilbert's behavior engineering model, also known as BEM, to figure out if the causes come from the environment or the worker's behavior. In phase 3, which is the intervention selection, design, and development interventions, these are the solutions to the performance problem. They can fall into these categories: instructional performance support, which is education, training, interactive learning tools, or non-instructional performance support, which is knowledge management, job aids, documentation, and standard user performance and support system. Job analysis or work design, personal development, coaching, mentoring, career development, organizational communication, communication networks, information systems, or organizational design development, which are team strategies, re-engineering, or restructuring. Quality improvement, and then there's phase 4. Intervention, implementation, and change management. Intervention means changes, and changes can cause resistance. So to make changes easier, these strategies are recommended. Stolovich and Keeps, 1999. Emphasize positive. Show advantages and quick returns for each disadvantage. Make it simple. Make it doable with success stories and peer testimonials, and reduce hurdles with user support systems like job aids or training. Establish compatibility. Show similarities to the current state. Promote adaptability. Highlight no loss of functionality. Focus on social impact. Identify key people and groups. Be transparent and honest, and communicate well. And then there's phase 5, evaluations, or continuous improvement, which is the finished HPT process that measures the impact of solutions and encourages ongoing improvement. Various evaluations can be used, such as formative evaluations, summative evaluations, confirmative evaluations, or meta evaluations. Figure is cited from Wilmuth, 2014. An explanation from Dessinger, Mosley, and Tiem, 2012.